put in a new space that's designed to expand our capabilities from building just satellite payloads in our current offices in Herndon to being able to assemble full satellite buses in Spring Park.
The new space includes a workshop where we can machine mechanical structures as well as 3D print. It has a large thermal chamber for doing unit level testing on all of our electronic equipment. It also includes a large clean room, 1,000 square foot clean room, and then a 1,500 square foot electronics lab.
So the benefit of bringing this in-house is it allows us to assemble in the United States at a U.S. facility with our personnel.
So when we're doing all of the final integration and test, we have a lot more flexibility to, maybe add in, kind of later changes in the development cycle that can adapt to a late-breaking customer need that wasn't really anticipated when we started the design. We'll be able to adapt much more easily to, customer needs and customer requests.
I think it kind of marks a transition, a major step in growing up in terms of HawkEye's ability to control their own destiny, and it's all about giving our people the chance to experience new things. They get to solve more of the problem on their own. I think that can't help but to build institutional knowledge and innovation. That flexibility creates a kind of a space where innovation can happen more freely, and I believe the customers can't help but feel that.